Hello everyone, welcome to online quizzes section Hot Potatoes. In this section we become familiar with the software or application of Hot Potatoes that can help us create some quizzes, some classroom activities in any language and any subject that we teach. To use this application or software, first of all we should go to its website to tap downloads and download the available version that we want to use, and then we can let's just open the software to show you different parts. Okay, as you see there are 5 parts: J-close, J-match, J-mix, J-cross and J-quiz, and then there is the section masher that helps us put together different tests and provide them to the students as a package of tests. In this section we go through different types of quizzes and tests and classroom activities, and then I will show you how to put them together and create a package. Okay, I hope you have gone to the website and you download and install the software so that in the coming sections we can focus on different parts of this software. For example, in section 1 of this week we focus on J-quiz. Then in the next section J-cross and J-close are discussed. You will learn about them and you will practice making of these quiz types, and then we focus on J-match and J-mix, and finally we learn how to mash them up and put them together. And then you can practice all these quiz types and put them together and provide them as the practice on this website so that you can be qualified for the certificate of completion of Hot Potatoes and the badges of this section. Okay, thank you so much for your attention to this very short introduction. I can't wait to see your practices during the sections. Have a nice time.